Hi, it's Lindsay
and Mattias Johansson. We want to invite you to know your Plus500.
In the room full of people. Stay in the middle or under the wall?
This is an easy question. For sure you will stay in the middle so people can hear you.
No!
Yeah! You like the attention.
I'm shy.
You like that? You like the attention, he's a joker. For sure you stay in the middle.
No, I'm so shy.
No. Oh, you cannot lie for the camera.
Okay. He's right.
Yeah. Warsaw by day or Warsaw by Warsaw by day or Warsaw by night?
Warsaw by day, because you like breakfast and then
yeah, I like to go breakfast.
Yeah.
But sometimes you have to mix it up to also go in the night, you know, to see different things.
I'll try to save you, Warsaw.
To be honest, you know.
Pogba or N'Golo Kante?
Ooh. I would say Kante. I don't know why, but you're a similar player. You're fighting.
Yes, technically.
You don't have that good technique, so Kante.
Yeah, you are right.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Yeah, this is no question.
Cappuccino.
You have to wake up, you have to take your coffee.
Yeah, cappuccino also. I know him.
Cappuccino, espresso,
cappuccino in the morning.
everything.
Espresso with some water, some milk or something. Bus or tram?
I would say tram. I don't know why, but you like different things than others.
Yeah.
And bus is quite normal, you know, so I would say tram.
Yeah, tram is also good. I don't used to tram, but I like.
Sports car or SUV?
Nah, you are sports car.
Yeah, I like to drive fast.
Eiffel Tower or Notre Dame?
Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
A little bit romantic, you like these kind of things.
You know me.
Pippi Longstocking or the 6 Bullerbyn children?
Huh?
Pippi Longstocking? You know Pippi Longstocking?
No.
The woman with the red hair, you know, with the horse and the monkey.
Okay. Ah, yeah, okay.
You know? Or the 6 Bullerbyn children.
Phew, the first one.
You don't know what?
I don't know.
You don't know anyone of them?
I don't know.
Okay, let's say it's the right answer.
Pippi Longstocking?
You've not seen it?
No, even both of them I don't know.
And you have 2 kids.
But maybe in French it is different, you know?
Ah, okay. I don't know the French words. Sorry.
So what?
So Pippi Longstocking.
Okay.
You're right.
I know what. Lady Gaga or Britney Spears?
Lady Gaga.
No, I prefer Britney Spears.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
You seen her now?
Huh?
You seen her now?
But I don't mean about body, I mean about mentally. She's crazy. Lady Gaga is too high, too far from me. Britney Spears, she's good. I prefer.
Okay,
even she's a little crazy. But
Okay. Cat or dog?
dog.
Yeah, for sure. I'm allergic against cats.
Yeah.
Also dogs, but I like dogs.
For me, Zurek or pierogi.
You tried any of them?
Yeah, one I love one.
Okay, pierogi.
Yes.
Yeah, I tried it also.
Yeah, it's
The other one I don't know is Zurich.
Me too.
But pierogi is
Pierogi
nice.
I eat
I
2
like
days
it.
ago.
Meatballs from IKEA or hot dogs from IKEA?
Meatballs.
Yeah, meatballs.
Meatballs?
Yeah. Easy answer.
PlayStation or Xbox? You know me?
You never, I was thinking, how can I say the right answer? You never play PlayStation, never Xbox.
Yeah, it
So,
was the tricky question.
but in the past maybe you played
Yeah,
PlayStation.
PlayStation.
Yeah, okay. And Star Wars or Harry Potter?
Harry Potter.
Yeah,
Harry
100%.
Potter.
100%.
Harry Potter. Netflix or HBO?
Netflix or Disney Plus?
Yeah, Disney Plus.
You prefer Disney Plus,
I prefer
right?
Disney Plus and Netflix.
It's not in the question, you know.
Yes.
So then it's Netflix.
Netflix. I prefer Netflix.
Winter or summer?
Summer.
Yeah, of course. Even I'm from Sweden, it's very cold, but
No,
I cannot stand to train all the time in snow, and so for sure summer.
Batman or Spider-Man?
Oh, we had this discussion for a while ago.
What is Batman? Yeah, we got this conversation, which I think was
So I would say Spider-Man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm more Spider.
I remember something about it that you liked it more.
Yeah.
Suburbs or city center?
No, suburbs.
No, then I would say city center. It's more, you know, you go there, take a coffee, relax. You don't have to walk too much.
And basketball or tennis?
Basketball for sure.
Yeah.
He's coming every other day to the training with his basketball jerseys and the cap and everything like he's a basketball player.
Yeah, you know what we put in the room also, we put the basket.
Oh yeah, in our room we have this small basket to play sometimes, so it's basketball.
But I won't all the time.
Pepsi or cola?
Oof, difficult. Cola zero, I want to tell you, but usually you take Pepsi. Pepsi. Pepsi zero, like without
Pepsi zero.
Pepsi with sugar free.
I would say it's day by day, which mood. But for sure, if I compare, I drink more Cola Zero than Pepsi. Okay, half right, 50-50.
Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this moment together and see you next time. Bye bye.
Ciao.